This opens up a whole bunch of really cool use cases. So in the past, we kind of maintained a good, clean separation between our front ends and back ends, but that does create its own problems with those separations of concern. So if I build my whole front end in React, that's great. But now if I want to server render anything, I have to run Node or Dino or
Exactly.
Bun or something like that. And a lot of shops don't do that. Like there's tons of shops out there that are running Java or Python or whatever. And so they end up with spinners. They end up with a fully client rendered app, skeleton screens, and poor user experience as a result. And that's a bummer. So this technique would allow them to do a design system, build a bunch of components, and still be able to server render them in any backend runtime that they want, which is pretty exciting.
I agree with you 100%, which is why I was immediately excited about this. And I immediately reached out and I was like, this seems like this could be, I don't want to overuse the term game changing. And of course, it does feel like a hack, but the
Yeah.
possibilities it opens up are really big for a lot of shops. And so I want to get the
Yeah.
word out about it because it seems like it could be a really good thing for a lot of people.
Well, and I don't think it has to be just us. So there's a lot of zero sum thinking these days in open source. But
Yeah.
now the road is paved, so there's nothing saying someone can't take this technique and use this for other types of renderers. So like maybe you want to use handlebars on the client server and get that working
Sure.
in both places, or maybe you want to try and get React working. I don't think it will work very well from a performance